How to change direct deposit on Paylocity 2025 method. Most people get their direct deposit set up once and never think about it again until something goes wrong. The surprising truth about Paylocity in 2025 is that updating your direct deposit is easier than ever, but if you miss a step, your paycheck could be delayed. Today, we're going to cover exactly how to change your direct deposit on Paylocity in 2025, step by step, including tips to ensure your payroll updates smoothly, common mistakes to avoid, and how to manage multiple accounts or splits. Let's start with why this is important. Your direct deposit ensures that your paycheck lands safely in your bank account every pay period. If your bank changes, you want to move your deposit quickly. If your deposit needs to be split across multiple accounts for bills, savings, or investments, you need to update those settings in Paylocity correctly. A small error, like an incorrect account number or routing number, can cause payment delays or returns, creating unnecessary stress. The first step to changing your direct deposit in 2025 is *** logging into your Paylocity account ***. You can access Paylocity either via the web at paylocity.com or through the mobile app, which is optimized for iOS and Android. The mobile app allows you to make updates on the go, which is especially handy if you're away from your computer. Always ensure you're using the official app or website to avoid phishing or fraud. Once logged in, navigate to the ** Myself tab **, which is your central hub for personal information. Under Myself, you'll find the ** payroll section **. In the payroll section, locate ** direct deposit ** or ** payment options **. This is where all your current account information is stored. Paylocity in 2025 has made this interface intuitive, showing your existing account numbers, deposit percentages, and active or inactive status for each account. Before making changes, have your ** bank information ready ** account number, routing number, account type checking or savings, and the percentage or fixed amount you want deposited. This prevents errors during the update process. Most payroll errors occur due to mistyped account numbers, so double-check each number carefully. Now, let's go step by step. 1. ** select Edit Direct Deposit **. Clicking this option allows you to update your account information. You can add a new account, edit an existing one, or delete an account if it's no longer in use. 2. ** Add or update bank account information **. If you're adding a new bank, enter the routing number and account number exactly as they appear on your check or bank statement. Choose whether it's a checking or savings account. Then, decide if you want to deposit your full paycheck into this account or split it across multiple accounts. Paylocity allows you to specify percentages or fixed dollar amounts for each account. 3. ** Review split deposits **. For example, you might deposit 60% into your checking for everyday spending and 40% into a savings account for future goals. Paylocity shows a preview of your split deposits to ensure the total adds up to 100%. Most people get this wrong by accidentally exceeding 100%, so the system will prompt you to adjust before saving. 4. ** Save changes **. Once all information is entered correctly, click Save or Submit. Paylocity will often require you to confirm changes with a security step, like entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. This protects your account from unauthorized changes. 5. ** Confirmation and timing **. After saving, you'll see a confirmation screen, and sometimes a confirmation email is sent. Keep this for your records. Updates usually take 1 to 2 payroll cycles to take effect, depending on your employer's processing schedule. For urgent changes, contact your HR or payroll department to verify if the update can be applied immediately. A few ** important tips and common mistakes ** to avoid in 2025. ** Double-check routing and account numbers **. A single mistyped digit can redirect your paycheck. ** Verify account type **. Checking and savings accounts are treated differently. Choosing the wrong type may delay your deposit. ** Allow processing time **. Direct deposit changes are not instant. Plan ahead, especially if switching banks close to payday. ** Keep old account active until the change is confirmed **. This prevents missing a paycheck if the new account setup is delayed. ** Check for pending transactions **. If your bank account is new, ensure it can accept direct deposits without holds or restrictions. For those managing *** multiple accounts or payroll splits ***, Paylocity provides a flexible system. You can set up multiple accounts and allocate exact percentages or dollar amounts. For instance, if you receive a $2,000 paycheck, you can allocate $1,200 to checking, $500 to savings, and $300 to a separate investment account. Paylocity ensures the total always equals your paycheck, preventing overallocation. Another scenario involves ** changing banks mid-year ***. Maybe your old bank closed or you're switching to a credit union for better rates. In this case, you'll add the new account, allocate your deposit there, and then remove the old account after the new one is verified. This step-by-step approach minimizes the risk of missing a paycheck or creating bounced transactions. If you encounter issues during the update process, there are a few solutions. ***, contact HR or payroll ***. They can verify if your employer has processed your update and provide guidance. ***, check Paylocity support ***. The app and website have tutorials, FAQ, and chat support to troubleshoot errors. ***, confirm with your bank ***. Ensure the new account is active and able to receive ACH deposits. Security is crucial. Paylocity in 2025 uses multi-factor authentication and encryption to protect your financial data. Avoid making changes over public Wi-Fi and always log out of your account after updates. This is especially important for mobile users, who may store sensitive credentials on their devices. Another tip is to *** monitor your first updated paycheck ***. After your direct deposit change takes effect, confirm the funds are deposited correctly. If there's a discrepancy, contact payroll immediately to prevent delays in your finances. Many people overlook this final verification, but it's critical to ensure your update worked as intended. For employers using Paylocity, the platform also allows *** batch updates and approval processes ***. This ensures any direct deposit changes are reviewed and authorized before being applied, protecting both employee funds and payroll integrity. To summarize, changing your direct deposit on Paylocity in 2025 involves 1. Logging into your Paylocity account via web or mobile. 2. Navigating to My Self Payroll Direct Deposit. 3. Selecting Edit Direct Deposit. 4. Entering new bank information and specifying deposit amounts. 5. Reviewing, saving, and confirming changes. 6. Allowing 1 to 2 payroll cycles for the change to take effect. 7. Verifying the first updated deposit to ensure accuracy. In conclusion, updating your direct deposit on Paylocity in 2025 is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail. Double-checking your bank details, planning for processing times, and confirming deposits ensures a smooth transition. Whether you're changing banks, splitting your paycheck, or updating account information, following this method helps avoid missed payments, bounced transactions, or payroll delays. With careful steps and verification, you can manage your direct deposit confidently and ensure your paycheck arrives safely every pay period. That's it for this guide on changing direct deposit on Paylocity in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and